Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. We're going to talk about the home run of the day, which we talk about over at the Discord. We're 130 plus members already, all intelligent and smart investors looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, guys. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of it, you can check us out. The Discord link is down below in the description. The tiers are filling out pretty quickly, and we look forward to having you join us. And I also have the ticker symbol to share with you guys. So a lot of investors, yes, you're looking for the chart analysis, you're looking for the information on the stocks you're invested in or that you're watching, but you're leaving money on the table by just looking at the chart analysis and overlooking where the money's at, guys. I present you guys with more opportunities when these ticker symbols, I share them with you guys, because I've done it with ChargePoint, I've done it with Skills, I've done it with Pinduoduo, and I've done it with plenty more, guys, that I talk about them. Not because they're going to run, but if not, the way they're setting up is a great opportunity to start watching them before they run again. So usually we want to catch these stocks as they're falling. It usually doesn't make sense, but it's the best time to start watching a stock, not start getting into it or out of it. It's to start watching it to understand what's going on, have time to do research, and so forth. So stay tuned, because today's ticker symbol is the biggest competitor with the biggest in its industry. So it's going to be the littlest guy versus the biggest guy, and it's going to become a big deal in the coming years, guys. So stay tuned for all that information. So Ocgn stock, right? Ocugen Inc. had a volatile day. So this stock needed to stay above $10, in my opinion, to show strength, especially after the offering. So the offering closes out today. It was a $100 million offering at $10 per share at a premium. That's what they stated on their documents. And we saw a low here of $9.92. And from that point forward, it's been running, guys. So this is definitely going to be interesting tomorrow and the rest of the week, because now there's no news really building up the momentum. If you think about it, the news on the 21st, 22nd was repeated again. And then they used it a little bit this Monday, and they even used it on Friday with a little bit of extra news, which was the submission, right, or being submitted, the EUA, which is emergency use approval in the US market for Ocugen, and obviously bringing Covaxin as one of the vaccine candidates here or even around the world, and so forth. So very interesting that news was repeatedly used. So what's going to be the new news to create such catalysts beyond just the charts and technicals, right? So we're going to have to pay close attention if there's any more hype that can stir this up, or is it going to cool off a little bit before the next catalyst. So here we are seeing it. It's closing out the offering and it's going back up, which is pretty healthy and interesting to see. And we're seeing here 1104 as the 50-day moving average, and we're sitting at 1121 as I speak. So we're slightly in bullish territory, and for the bulls to continue, they're going to have to break through this highest point, which is the resistance, and I'm going to talk about it in just a moment. But our support is down here at this point at 1032, and then obviously way down here at $10, guys. I'll just round that down from 1001 to $10. As long as this stock stays above $10, there's strength. The moment it's below it, there will be weakness, guys. It slightly touched it, but that did not last for long. So we want to be aware that this stays above $10 and that goes below it for there to be strength. The first support to watch is right here at 1032, 1031, give or take. And our resistance, guys. This is the most important point right now for the bulls to continue the momentum, right, from these lows and pull away from the 50-day moving average and get into bullish territory. And that is right here at this point of 1143. Needs to be broken through, turn into a support so that the bulls can reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community so they can receive the insight as well. And don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. And let's go ahead and jump into the home run of the day, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that is going to compete in the future with the largest company in its sector, guys. So this is a big deal, this company. Now, this company has a lot to do and prove, but you want to pay attention to this stock as it's dipping, guys. So we're going to talk about that in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day as we see it here. ALDX. This is the stock we briefed on this morning over at the Discord. We're 130 plus members already. Tiers are filling up pretty quickly. And if it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. Collectively, we are all smart, intelligent investors over at the Patreon and Discord, looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, guys, through the volatility of the market. So if that's something you want to become part of, we look forward to having you join us, and you can join us over at the Discord. The links are down below. So here we are. ALDX. When did I talk about it? Where was it at? ALDX was at 13.45 when I spoke about it. I talked about GMBL, and it only really gave us around 3% to 5% after dipping and jumping a little bit. But this was the home run of the day. As you could see it, another one of the members was excited, putting rocket ships ready for ALDX. I guess they saw the opportunity I was seeing in the charts. And if you pull up your indicators and you pay close attention to volume and everything that's going on, you should be quite successful with your stop losses on these opportunities. So this one was sitting at 13.45 when I mentioned it, ran up to 13.73, giving us just a slight little jump of a few percent, and it pulled back hard, guys. So towards the bell is when you want to watch these stocks to see if they lose momentum or if they start gaining traction, right? Whether it lasts all day or it lasts a few hours or a few minutes. So this stock dipped, right, to 12.80, guys. And from that point forward, it took off and it hit a high of 13.95 and then another high of 14.43. So between these two, 5 to 15% plus happened in just a matter of minutes, guys. So we look for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus, as I call it, is a home run, guys. If you would have just stuck through the whole volatility, this was a 20% plus gainer. But just from here to here in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour, you had the opportunity to go ahead and have a nice 15 to 20% gainer in just the beginning of the day, guys. Giving you time to go ahead and research other stocks, look at other things you're looking at. And that's what we try to do here, guys. Get in, get out, look for your 5 to 10% on a good day. Great day, 10 to 15 and 20%, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. So this was the home run of the day. This went up to a high of 40% on the whole entire day. And just in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour, it gave us 5 to 15% plus, reaching almost 20%, guys. It was a great start to the day, even though the market was red and turbulent, guys. This is how the day started. You can see it here, how it just collapsed, guys. It collapsed. While the stock market was falling, we were paying attention to the opportunities that were rising. So if this is something that interests you, the tiers are filling up quickly. We look forward to having you join us, and let's talk about the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So here we are, CCIV, guys. This stock collapsed, right? It was starting off the day way up here at $25 almost, then 24, and it just fell to a low of $22.53, came back up, fell back down, sitting at $22 and some change. Now, when we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the bigger picture, the most recent low was down here at $17. So the closer this gets to 20 and even $17, the more interesting it's going to get, because this stock, like I said, it's the biggest competitor to one of the biggest in its industry and sector, and that's going to be Tesla. This is Tesla's competitor in the US market, guys. So CCIV has a lot to prove and a lot to work on, but they're going to be competing, and at some point they will get their market share, their piece of the pie. Now, that's what articles are showing. That's what analysis ratings are saying. So I advise you to do your due diligence, do your research to understand this stock a little bit better. But this is definitely a stock, if you don't have it on your watch list, that you want to add it and keep a close eye on it on every single dip, guys. Not when it's running, but when it's falling. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.